When you edit sound, set your computer volume to the middle and always use your headphones. To monitor your volume levels, check the audio meters window at the side of the timeline for red peaking. It is important to staircase your audio clips. This will enable you to overlap and create multi-track audio. Also, it's a good idea to have similar types of sound grouped on the same track. It will help when you do a final sound mix before exporting. Here, I have grouped sound effects below my dialogue, which is on top. To add a track, Control-click on the right side of the tracks and select Add Track. I'm going to add a selection of this music on the bottom track. Switch to the audio workspace. Once you have multi-track audio, the overlapping clips will play simultaneously. It may sound terrible played all together. You can create emphasis and separation of the sounds by adjusting levels and the direction of the sound. First, I will adjust the levels in the Effects Controls panel. Select the clip, go to Effects Controls and adjust the levels. This is a sample of my voice. This is a sample of my voice. The direction can be changed with the panner. This is a sample of my voice. This is a sample of my voice. You can also do this directly on the clip with the pen tool. To access different effects, control and click on the effects box on the clip. Adjust the levels or panner directly with the pen or the arrow tool.